Hi there, everyone. I'm on my way to my winter vacation destination, but it's a long 3 hours flight, and I'm feeling a bit bored. What I really want to do is to play. So, how about we play a fun game together? Do you remember the difference between thick and thin? Yeah? Let's quickly refresh our memory. Thick means that the inside of something is fat or big, and thin is the opposite. It might be skinny and small. Remember, thick clothes keep us warmer than thin ones. Now let's get started with our game. I've got some phrases here on my game board, and you can play along with me. The first phrase says, the sweater is thicker or thinner than the t-shirt? What do you think? What do you think? Thicker or thinner? Thicker or thinner? Yeah, right, it's thicker, of course. A sweater is thicker than a t-shirt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? The turbulence just made the letters ER fly off. Oh, that's so cool. I'll try to get them back. Oh no, they're too far. Oh, look. Oh, what a nice robot. Hey, can you help me to get those letters back? Thank you! You are the best! Oh, all set. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase. The next one says, her globes are thin than mine? Oh, wait, here we don't have any other option. But I don't think this is okay. There's a mistake. Can you spot it? Yeah, that's right. Thin. Thin should have ER to become thinner. Let's ask the robot to generate the missing letters. Please, robot, can you give us the letters ER? Because the right sentence is her globes are thinner than mine. Oh, I love it. We fixed that one. Now on to the last phrase. Let's read together. The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? Oh, wait a minute. Something's not right here. Do you know? Have you noticed it? I give you some seconds. Where is the mistake? The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? You are absolutely right. It should be the winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Oh, oh. Hey, robots, where are you? Phew, it's back. Now, can you generate the word thicker for me? Yeah, because that sentence has a mistake. Great! Can you see now? The sentence makes more sense. Let's read it. The winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Not thinner, but thicker. Great! We did it! I had so much fun playing with English words. Thanks for joining me in this cool game.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.